Welcome to my channel. Backyard fence design idea when if come to enhance to look and fantastic for your backyard. A well designed fence can make a single cant different. Conclusion when if come to backyard fence design him it not shortest for creation idea to choose from whether you prefer the time limit appear they would forward fetch the sleep look formatted the vacillate of vinyl or the natural beauty of living fence and while gardening the key is to select a design living functional and lavish gardening for a unique and friendly appear consider incorporated living fence or vertical gardening into your backyard design. Living fence, unique planting and shop create to create a natural bed offering private and beauty. Six salt you can choose from a vertical of plant other such as every gardener should follow wind or told grass depends on your climate and personal preference. Living fence not only provide vertical instead but also active window life and contribute to a health environment. Vertical garden and other innovative way to transform your fence into a living work for art. Can you can installing planting or hand post on your fence away allow you to grow and diffuse range to plants, flower and have vertical gardener not only maximum your outdoor space but also create a strange focal point. The below natural and gardening sealant. Additionally, then can help improve air quality, pure noise, and provide insulation for your outdoor area. Model metal fence if you prefer a contemporary landscape look for your backyard. Metal fence, or any excellent choice and settlement and sleep are popular. Other foreign debuts and low main interest then can be designed with clear line and maximum limit. Enhance, add a tube for to your outdoor space. Metal fence can be customized with vertical preference and should allow to you to create enhanced design with reference your personal style.